moisturize my lips because they are super dehydrated. I just got out of washing my body, so I washed my face too, so they feel super dehydrated right now. I'm gonna just go ahead and put some marine hyaluronics around my skin just for that hydration. So yeah. Gonna apply some on my neck. Then I'm going to apply my Olay Total Effects 7-in-1 SPF. Yeah, so I'm only doing this look, you guys, because I've been wanting to create a pastel look for a really long time, but I'm not going anywhere since, you know, we're kind of in quarantine right now. I do hope that you guys are doing fine. I did want to address this in this video because I know that this is a time where I feel like a lot of us need each other. But yeah, I decided I'm still gonna film a video for you guys just within my home like I've been doing, just so you know I can help you guys, maybe if I can even help you guys smile for a little bit. So I am filming another video after I finish filming this one, which I'm excited for, and I think that video is gonna go up the week before I post this makeup look, so it's exciting. So I'm gonna go in with my Smashbox Studio Flawless concealer that I've been using for a long time, and I am just gonna even my skin a little bit out. I don't know what's going on with my skin right now, but it like stops breaking out for a while and then it continues. So I'm just blending that with my Real Technique sponge. Yeah, I'm gonna go and prime my eyes with the Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I'm just going to apply that on my eyes. I'm going to blend it with my Real Technique sponge. Cool. Alrighty, so I'm gonna let that sit on my eyes for a little bit. I'm just gonna do my brows real quick. Setting it with the clear brow gel. I'm planning to buy another brow gel because I feel like this one doesn't hold my brows for long. I just feel like earrings just bring out your features so much more. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't know, I really like earrings. Going in with my ColourPop Meant to Be, and I'm going in with the color Get Fresh, and I'm gonna make that kind of like just a transition color for this look. So yeah, so we're going in. So before I bring it out, I'm going to apply it to the rest of my lid, because this is just gonna have a slight blue tone and just set the look for the rest of the video. Kind of like my peach look, I'm going to use this pencil to kind of just outline how I'm gonna want the eye. I do want the look to be slightly above my actual crease, so I'm gonna do that. So I can hold my face since I haven't put foundation, so I'm gonna slightly go above my actual crease. And slightly out like that, and that's gonna help me outline where I'm gonna put the rest of the lilac color. Okay, now I am going to go ahead and apply this color to the rest of my eye. I'm gonna close that out. Don't worry, I know it looks patchy right now, but we're gonna fix that in a little. Let's see. I really just want to take my time building up the color, because just never want it to be too much. So I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop cream gel, and this is the color Exit. Maybe this is a sign that I should exit this video and not do this part, but we're gonna take a risk. And I'm gonna outline the outer of the V. So as you can see, I did that guideline in the V, so I'm gonna outline it. So actually came out better than I expected. I'm gonna see if I can just clean this eye a little bit, because I feel like for some reason I don't know why this eye wants to come out patchy and this one comes out all nice. So I'm just gonna clean that up and I will be right back. I'm gonna grab black liner and I'm just gonna line the my line. But I'm not gonna wing it out. I want to see how that looks, because I feel like this does need a little bit of contrast. So I'm going in with my Benefit roller liner. There you go. There you go. I feel like that just brings some contrast that the look needed, so I like that. I do want long lashes today, so I'm going to prime my eyes with the Subversion and then go in with the Benefit Bad Gal Bang, which is one of my favorite mascaras, especially if I'm wearing falsies. I'm gonna clean the outer edge of my eye just a bit with my LA Girl concealer, just to ensure that everything is as sharp and clean as possible. And then I get a flat foundation brush and I'm gonna, you know, just ensuring that everything is as clean as I want it to be. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with foundation and I'm gonna grab the Flower Beauty. Yeah, and I'm gonna apply it directly on my sponge, because I'm gonna apply it mostly on areas that are uneven and I feel like needs the most love right now, which is my chin. Like Jupiter decided to just plant on my face, so that's great, I guess. Because I want there to be more brightness, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Age Rewind, and I'm gonna use this to highlight my skin. I'm going in with the sponge. I'm gonna look up because I don't want mascara to get, because I feel like my lashes are kind of hanging low. Cool. Kind of. I look crazy. And then I'm going to, I have this problem where I keep talking as I'm moving things around, and like I'm a mess. But I'm going in with the Bare Minerals Original Foundation. This is the color Golden Beige. I like getting a warmer skin tone complexion, just because I feel like it really just evens my redness. And then I'm gonna set the rest of my face. This is one of my favorite, if not my favorite powders to set my face, just because it doesn't like crease my skin or anything like that. So that's why I love using this powder. I do want to warm up my face kind of intensely, so I'm going to go in with my Cheerleader Bronze Squad palette, going in with the color Hula, getting this big Jaclyn Hill brush, And then I'm just gonna bronze my face. As you can see, it's kind of just intense. I bring it down to my neck, so I'm gonna mix these two colors together. So it's Coralista and Golden Rush. I'm gonna add some light blush, nothing too crazy. I want it to look like I'm naturally blushing. Put some temples. Okay, so for my waterline, I'm gonna go in with white again, that same color that I used. I'm gonna do this off camera. I don't know why I can never line my waterline on camera. In the inner corner, I'm gonna grab the color Honeydew. It's like this light peach, and I'm just gonna apply that in the inner corner. Kind of add some brightness. I'm gonna go in with my BH Cosmetics. It's my Ray Ray palette. I'm gonna mix the color Radiant and Moonlight. I am gonna set the brush a little bit with my NYX Matte Finish setting spray. And I'm gonna lightly pat it on my face where I want some. I'm gonna just put some gloss. I'm not even gonna say which one because you guys are gonna know which one. I kind of just put it in the center because I feel like that opens up my eyes. And then I'm gonna set my face with the NYX matte. I've never tried this, so